at all this water. Ugh. Hi, girls. You got a pond under there? It's probably not good. Hey, Pepper. Hi. Look at this. I don't know why they're not hanging out in their personal shallow pond area. Hanging out in that other shallow pond. I'm gonna have to pay attention to these areas down the road. A lot of water in there. Are you guys having fun? Winnie, you look like a drowned rat. Poor thing. What are y'all doing? It's alright. It's so windy. That bamboo. It's very windy, boys. I should probably take that thing down. Alright. Gotta go drain the roof.